All right. So we have these questions here. On the worksheet, I'm gonna airdrop to you. All right, let's get to work. We're gonna work 20 minutes. We're gonna work 10 minutes more than Greenwald.
That's an air, bro.
Huh? I have 13 minutes?
Yeah.
I can get more things done in 2 minutes than him. For no period.
He's in the hospital right now. You don't even do that, bro.
Okay, so on this one, the first step is a very important. The first step, I was live stream, right? So I guess he can hear me. Okay, so dy dx is equal to x minus 3 over y. So the first step is very important. It's called separation of variable. Now, before this, I want to talk about this also. Some of the worksheet that you're gonna get a y prime. Y prime you're gonna change to dy dx because y prime is the slope, is the dy dx. They can even tell you slope. They can say slope is this equation, but you just change it to dy dx. Guess what? If you change that to dy dx, you know what to do. The first step is called separation of variable. A separation variable just makes sure dx and dy are numerator. So what I mean is like, I'm gonna get dx is on denominator, so the only way to become numerator is I multiply dx on both sides. Then that's gonna give you x minus 3 over y dx. Does that make sense? So that dx become numerator. Now, separation variable is make sure y goes to dy, x go to the dx. So then I'm going to multiply both sides by y. So that's going to be y dy is equal to x minus 3 dx. So this is the only important step you need to learn today. This step is very crucial because it's called separation variable. Usually, if it's differential equation, it's on the test, you're going to get 6 points out of here. If you got this first step wrong, you cannot get rest of the 5. So you gotta make sure you have to separate the variable. Is that okay? This is the only thing that's really important because it leads to the next 5 points. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna take integrations. If I integrate this, that's gonna give you y squared over 2. Now you're gonna say, do I do plus c? No, you don't. You're gonna do plus c on the other side. X squared over 2 minus 3x plus c. Is that okay? So only plus c on the right hand side. So separation variable. So separation of variable is very important. If you don't hear separation variable, you're gonna get in trouble. So then I'm gonna multiply both sides by 2. So it's gonna be y squared is equal to x squared minus 3x squared over 2 plus, now c is gonna change to what?
2c.
No. It's just a c. Why? Because c doesn't matter until you plug in initial condition. What is initial condition? Here's the initial condition.
Oh, just 3x.
This is 6. This is 6.
Oh.
6x. Okay. Thank you. This one is 6x. Now, c multiplied by 2 is gonna give you c because c can divide by 2 is still c. Because c only matter after you plug in initial condition. Where's the initial condition? Right here. 2 and negative 5. They are like a coordinate. They're input and output. You're just gonna plug in output into the other side and then we do the other side. But first of all, we solve for y first. So I'm gonna get y equal to square root of x squared minus 6x plus c. And I'm gonna get, what am I forgetting? If I square root both sides, what am I forgetting? Plus minus, thank you. Like a lot of people usually forget that. Now I'm going to plug in the initial condition. What is the initial condition? -5 is equal to, well, remember, plus minus. That's going to be important. And 2 is going to be for x. So it's 4 minus 12 plus c. Now, guess what? Do I choose a plus or do I choose a negative? I cannot choose a plus, because if I choose a plus, if I square root the right side, then I got plus. It's not going to give me -5. So I had to pick the negative sides. So does that make sense? And square both sides. That's going to give you 25. Sorry, this is the negative side. But if you square the negative, it's going to be positive. So it's going to be -8 plus c. C equal to 33. And then you're going to get questions as y is equal to negative x squared minus 6x plus 33. And that's called differential equation. This course usually taught after Calc 3. So the things, the worksheet we are doing is actually a differential equation worksheet that you're going to be due in chapter 1 differential equation. But they put it in Calc 1 is because it implement to help students get better integration skills and also understand the initial condition stuff. So you're going to do the second question. Does everybody understand or no? Why do I choose the negative side? Because the output is negative. So you choose the negative side. Everybody got it? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna ask you to do homework. And this is the homework here. And I'm gonna airdrop to you. If you turn your airdrop on. Oh, it's already on group chat, so you can start it. First page only. Well, airdrop to people. Vincent. Who's Gocho? Oh, Gacho? No, I don't know. Decline. Are you sure you don't want it? I'm gonna send him again just for fun. He declined. Are you gonna join calculus? Can I send him a message?
Hey, can you send messages like that?
Can you? You can airdrop message? Only need to do first worksheet. The second page are the answers. Try the first one. Try the second one. Come on, let's go.
Is what?
Which question should we do?
Start question 2. The whole page, that's your 14 problems.